Career momentum, where success meets inspiration. Ever wondered if robots could be better bosses than humans? Well, brace yourself because it seems like AI might just be gearing up to take the lead. Picture this. With its infinite knowledge, lightning-fast processing, and no emotional baggage, AI could soon outshine humans in many leadership areas. Sounds like science fiction, right? But hold on to your hats because the latest research suggests that employees are already putting more trust in AI than in their flesh and blood bosses in certain leadership realms. But hey, before you start packing up your office and handing the reins over to the machines, let's pump the brakes for a sec. Sure, AI might be able to crunch numbers and strategize like a pro, but does that mean we're all going to be replaced by robots? Not so fast. Because here's the thing. Us humans, we kind of like being led by other humans, quirks and all. Call it intuition, call it a gut feeling, call it whatever you want, but there's no denying that human leaders bring a certain warmth and empathy to the table that AI simply can't replicate. Employees want to be led by a human, not technology. AI might be the hot new thing, but let's not forget the power of good old-fashioned humanity. And you can't argue with the facts. AI's got some serious skills when it comes to crunching data and making big decisions. No bias, no drama, just cold, hard logic. That's why folks are feeling pretty confident about AI taking the lead on strategy and decision-making. I mean, who wouldn't want a leader who's always on point, right? But hold up, it's not all rainbows and sunshine in the land of AI leadership. Turns out, humans still rule the roost. When it comes to the messy stuff, feelings, emotions, all that jazz, research shows that folks are a bit skeptical about AI understanding the complexities of human behavior at work. And don't even get them started on the whole using emotions to make decisions thing. It's a hard pass from most people. And let's not forget the elephant in the room, hiring and promotions. Turns out, folks ain't too keen on letting AI have a say in who gets the corner office. Because when it comes down to it, nothing beats good old-fashioned human judgment, flaws and all. But hey, don't sweat it. Just because AI's got its limitations doesn't mean it's game over for human leaders. While AI might be great at crunching numbers and making big decisions, there are some things that it just can't do. Like, understand human emotions, navigate complex social dynamics, or tell a joke that actually lands. And let's face it, when it comes to leadership, those things matter. In fact, now's the time for us to double down on what makes us great, our humanity. Because when push comes to shove, it's the human touch that people crave, even in a world ruled by robots. So how do we strike that perfect balance between AI and human leadership? It's simple, really. Ask yourself, does this situation call for cold, hard logic or a touch of human empathy? Once you've got that figured out, you'll know whether to let the machines do their thing or step in with some old-fashioned human charm. It's time for us to embrace the best of both worlds, the cold, hard logic of AI and the warm, fuzzy humanity of good human leadership. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Ask any seasoned exec and they'll tell you, leadership ain't about fancy algorithms or high-tech gadgets. It's about being real, flaws and all. Because at the end of the day, it's the human touch that makes all the difference. It's about connecting with people, understanding their hopes, their fears, their dreams. And as long as there are humans in the workplace, there will always be a need for human leaders. So here's to the future of leadership, a future where AI and humanity go hand in hand. Let's remember that while the machines might be getting smarter, they'll never be able to replace the unique magic of human connection. And hey, who knows? Maybe, just maybe, the future of leadership isn't as scary as we once thought. Successful leaders today need to understand and leverage the benefits of AI. At the same time, they need to embrace their uniquely human qualities more fully. If you enjoyed this video, do not hesitate to subscribe for more exciting content and be sure to check out our upcoming videos as well.